Sa wakas. Ma, tikman mo daw to.
Ito ginawa mo, ate? Galing ah!
Oh! At dahil dyan, magbebenta tayo ng cookies. Mas kalmado pa sa inyo si Holly.
I'm excited!
Pinakaabang mo. Kanina pa nag-aabang sa pandesal mo. Magte-tennis lang muna sila Ayi, si Oli, oh, tingnan niya. Ayan na yung tennis racket niya. Sabi, bakit ganyan? Akala ko tennis. Ba't di pa ako humahawak ng tennis racket?
Gusto mo tennis agad ako?
Hi guys and girls. Nagbebake kasi ngayon si Ayi. Ayan o. Ba't mo ka nakain yan?
Sarap!
It's a rogue butter.
I know.
Ito na yung naano niya. Oh, bakit ganyan?
What do you mean? Cookies.
Tapos na yan?
Opo.
10 minutes lang talaga?
Opo, sabi daw.
Okay, sige. Try natin. I-cool off mo muna. Lagyan mo muna dito. Sa wakas. Slide mo to.
How do I tell if it's done? How do I check if it's done?
Hindi ko alam eh. Matitikman natin. Lagay ka ulit.
What if the chopsticks thing?
Parang malambot. Gusto mo ba chewy?
Pwede naman.
Alam.
Matamis yan.
Ang
Matamis yan.
ang ingap.
It just came out of the oven.
Ang sarap naman.
175. Siglit! Cool off muna. I don't like hot cookies. Ano? How is it?
Tamis.
Almost buo ito. Sabi mo, I asked pag ano, 1 cup ba yan? You said yes. Aren't you diabetic?
Kinda.
What do you mean kinda? That's not kinda. Ano naman ito?
Konti na lang pa. Try mong ano, mas ano,
Bigger?
oo. Tapos mas matagal. Instead of 10 minutes, gawin mo 12
15?
minutes.
15 na?
12 minutes.
At least there's another batch for me to vlog.
Yeah.
When was the last time we made cookies?
Hindi ko alam eh. Parang hindi pa.
No,
Nung
we
pandemic
did.
pa. Yung sa DC Delights pa yun.
Are they still open?
Oo, yung ano yon, yung binilhan natin sa may SM MOA.
Oh! Sarap yung cookies nila. Give us another pack, please. Ang sarap yung cookies nila.
DC Delights.
Opo.
Ay, tsaka yung kana Tita Sem mo, yung pre-made na, yung inaano dito, yung ina-air fryer
I don't
ko.
remember.
Ganyan.
Because
Yaman na. Mabibilog din yun.
isolated sa.
Gawin nating heart.
I was supposed to do that. Sa akin ito because I'm special.
Kunin mo na yun. Yan.
Ay.
Ayan, 15 minutes na yan.
Are you sir?
Yes. Ako si mami mo. Ma, tikman mo daw to.
Ito ginawa mo, ate?
Opo.
Cute. Niliitan mo lang talaga, bites.
Opo.
Galing ah! Oli, taste it. Ate made this.
It's yummy. Oh!
So, good
Oh,
job,
diba?
ate.
You like it? You like it, Oli? Tamo, ang saya nyo. Tumatalon-talon pa.
Ang
Sobrang
sarap,
saya.
hindi matamis.
Yung nga, miss.
Hindi masyado.
Lahat ko na yan.
Pero hindi yung yung nakakaunti na tamis. Bayang.
Tingnan mo.
Saka crunchy. Crunchy outside.
Chewy inside.
Chewy inside.
Wow.
Yes! Ang galing
Any
mo.
crunchy na yan.
Oo.
May taga-bake na tayo.
Bawasan mo na lang yung mamaya.
Hey, don't touch. No? Don't touch.
You want more?
Thank you, ate. Ang galing.
At dahil dyan, magbebenta tayo ng cookies.
Bake by Ayi.
Ah.
Yeah.
Ayi Bakes.
No.
Wag mo na lang ano yun to. Okay, palapag na ano na.
Next time, uy, ginawa niyan from scratch ha.
Oo.
Hindi yung Katulad ng ginawa niya dati na
Nasa pack.
nasa pack yung naka...
Yung brownies tapos
Oo.
yung cake.
O yung may flavor na. Yan talaga from scratch. Inano niya harina. Ano yun ate? Egg.
Egg, goya, tapos 1 cup of flour.
How about oil?
Wala. 3 ingredients.
Ah.
Ito.
Wow, 3 ingredients lang. Hi guys and girls. Alam niyo, natutuwa kami kay Ayi ngayon kasi nahihilig na siya sa mga bake. Ngayon naman ang gusto niyang gawin, pandesal. Kaya bumili kami ng ingredients. Yeast. Yan. Tapos, sugar.
Nagawa siya pandesal.
Oo nga, pandesal.
Na ano na hindi siya sa baking.
Hindi nga sabi namin sa kanya. Sunod naman, ano yun, cake.
Para siya nang gagawa ng cake na.
Oo. Ipapasok daw ni Bea ng baking class.
Oo, habang summer.
At least may pinagkakaabalahan ngayong summer. Ito, ano lang to, para dito sa bahay. Ayan sila.
Bake by Tres Marias. Oh, ayaw niyo yun. New business. Bake by Tres Marias.
1 minute.
Okay. So, sumali ng isang bata.
Say hi, guys.
Hi guys,
What are you gonna do, Oli?
I'm gonna make a bread. I'm gonna help
Di ba
Ate.
350 Fahrenheit?
Oh.
What's that in Celsius?
Nasa 200.
Can I make
Okay.
this toy?
Yes, thank you.
Here, can you give me my flowers?
Wait.
Kailangan ko ng pan, ate. Meron na dyan.
I'm
Ayan.
gonna make, I'm gonna stir it, right?
Not yet. We need an apron.
Huh? Apron. Apron? What apron?
Apron.
Oli, meron ka palang apron. Wow!
Wow, so cute, right? I want my apron because it's so cute.
I have to wait for 1 hour.
Can you have your apron?
Wait.
Okay.
See, can I have my chef hat?
Can I have my chef hat?
Meron ka rin pala, ay.
Here.
Ayun na, Louie, oh.
Which one?
Yan. Yan yun. Taas mo pa kay Ali.
Look, she have a new apron.
Yes.
My apron is so cool.
Yeah,
And
yours
your
too.
apron.
You too. Your apron is so cool.
Look, mommy, I have an apron.
Do I really have to do it here some more?
Oh!
Go. Easy.
Wait. Oh my god.
I'm gonna crack it.
Okay.
I'm gonna crack it.
Go.
Use your head.
Oh.
Ah! It's okay.
Oh, mas kalmado pa sa inyo si Oli.
Can you have my tissue? No.
Later, okay?
Be careful. You did it.
Oli, I am ready. It's about to set sail. This kind of day couldn't get much better, but it keeps on trying.
Ano gagawin mo, ate?
Pandesal.
Wow!
The one you all been asking.
Can I mix it?
Not
Wait,
yet.
not
Can we mix it? Let's mix it together. Like
No,
that.
not yet.
Okay, can we mix
Why?
it? What's that, ate?
Sugar. 1 cup and...
One
That
cup.
is
don't know how to
sugar.
1 cup of sugar. Tapos
No,
ano
not
yan?
1 cup. 1 quarter.
Tapos milk.
Milk.
Can we mix it?
Not yet. Milk.
Picture mo na.
Can we mix
1, 2, 3, smile. 1, 2, 3, smile.
So hot.
Look here. 1, 2, 3, smile, Loli. Yay! Okay.
Don't yet.
No.
One more sugar.
She's
Pag
so
nagbe-bake, dapat nga
Can we mix
Ano
it?
pa eh.
patty cake,
Alam
patty
ko.
cake.
Yeah, hairnet talaga. Para hindi na
Bake
pupunta
me a
yung
cake
hair.
as fast as you can.
Whisk.
Patty.
Okay, you can mix it now.
Mix it, mix it.
Okay na?
Faster.
Am I good?
Yeah.
Abangan ang Bake by Tres Marias. Opening soon. Tiyan. Magpa-practice pa si Ate Ay.
Is this enough?
Mix it until the sugar dissolves.
I can't see.
You should, I forgot to preheat pala.
Mamaya may task na ibibigay sa si Ate Ay.
Huh?
Hey, baking. Oh, stir. Oh, hold the bowl.
Pag nagbe-bake, Louie, bawal may bounce-bounce.
Louie, do you want the, ano?
Hindi
Do
pwede.
you want the task? Right now,
Tayo.
See Ollie. See Ollie, she has bangs.
Baby yan. May
I
exam.
have the one.
Oh, wala daw yung bounce. Saan ang galing yung may bounce siya?
Can I hold it?
Okay. Dapat yung ano, you know, Louie, kunin mo nga yun. Kaya mo ba yun? Chair niya.
What I
Mas
do?
mataas. I need to tie your bags. Ay, ano pala si Daddy? Yung mas mataas pa.
That's what I said kanina.
Bakit di nakinig si Daddy?
Hindi, sabi daw ano, para mas mabilis tanggal si audio.
Di niya kasi abot. Can I do like this, Oli?
Louie, guess who's on the cleaning task?
Me.
Yes.
Go.
Yan! Much better!
1, 2, 3.
Paano pag ano, kulang?
Anong kulang?
Flour.
Meron pa dun ah.
Or all
Put it
purpose
properly.
soap.
Smile, Oli!
Sponsored by KFC.
Smile, Louie! Smile! 1, 2, 3, smile!
UFC.
UFC kasi. KFC. Manok yan. Nagutom tuloy ako. Ay, parang ang sarap ng KFC pa. Nurap.
Oh, gusto ko KFC din.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Magpandesal kayo.
Dito ka, Louie. 1, 2, 3, smile! Okay.
Is it done?
Not yet.
Are you really sure this is the same, Daddy?
Oo. Ako ang naglagay niya.
Are you good at baking?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
What will you make?
Nothing.
Nothing. Say pandesal.
Pandesal.
Pandesal? Wow, you make it yummy, okay?
Yeah. Is it done?
Not yet. Keep on mixing.
Louie, mamaya na.
Have egg full other
Kami,
Sorry. Isa lang. Isa.
I want to drink water.
water. Here's the egg. We need to mix it,
Mag-
right? No sugar.
See,
Just
does that
have
taste
sugar.
good?
Do you want to mix?
Yes.
Here.
Still not enough.
But may honey, no, ate?
Yeah.
May honey tayo.
Parang wala
Ate, when do I stop mixing?
What's that?
say sandok.
What's that?
Sandok.
Sandok?
Lemon.
Ramen.
Why is the microwave already open?
No, it's so oven and I'm preheating
May gloves
it.
ka?
Wala.
Yung food gloves, meron tayo
See my
dyan.
gloves?
Para mas madali.
See my gloves?
Where do I put?
Yeah, wait. Maglalagay tayo gloves, okay?
Ali, you can go down. Ali,
Not yet.
Ali,
Ay.
we're gonna wait.
Okay.
You have to wait.
Ilang minutes?
An hour.
Ayan, ito na yung mga nagawa ni Ayi. Oh. Tapos may surprise si Ayi.
I put ng mozzarella cheese and some pandesal tapos goya. And there's some normal naman para healthy din. Do I put it na?
Ah, sige. Pwede na siguro yan.
Pandesal done.
The pandesal is?
Ito din
Mamaya, ano mo
Kulang
pa?
pa yan. Kulang pa. Ito parang light pa.
Oh, pwede na yan.
Sure ka. Baka tumakas.
Try mo.
Parang,
ang tigas. Tigas.
hala. Wait lang, try natin. Try mo muna ng
I touch it.
Lumabas. Oops, don't touch Oli, ha?
I'm excited.
Really?
I'm excited.
Are you hungry na?
Try mo.
Tignan, ang init pa.
Why?
Ako.
Nagkulang sa rest.
Try it.
Rest?
Oo.
It's
What do you
yummy.
mean?
Okay.
Yung, di ba, binake mo
Tikman mo
tapos
yung-
na-rest. Yun.
Saglit lang, sobrang init. I even burnt my thumb. Kanina.
Ali, up.
Ayan.
Chocolate yan, I think.
Ali, let's play the
Oo,
game.
matigas.
Let's try.
Hi.
Mainit pa.
And then we turn it
Soft nga sa ano. Konti pa. Pero perfect na. First time mo pa lang naman.
Yummy.
Diba? Pwede na. Kaso yun o. Yung taray.
Yeah.
May pa-chocolate pa pa.
No, I need to go.
May pa-chocolate pa sa loob. Ayun o, hindi pa. Moist pa sa loob eh.
Oo.
Oh, Yuma.
Konti pa.
Nakaabang.
I don't know what's happening. I don't know.
Kanina pa nag-aabang sa pandesal mo.
Pwede na.
Oh, okay.
Oli!
Ali, there's a pandesal na.
What?
Ayan, pandesal. Ayun, na kay mami mo.
Ay, wala kasi talaga.
Oli!
And this is the special
Nice.
chocolate. This
Ayun
is
ang
for me
painaantay
and
ko eh.
only.
Hot pa? Okay, later.
Hi guys and girls, ano pala? Magte-tennis lang muna sila Ayi, si Oli, oh, tingnan niyo. Oh. Ayan na yung tennis racket niya.
Tapos hindi tennis outfit yan.
It's okay. Bata pa naman siya.
Parang ano,
Oh, let's try again. 1, 2, 3. Ah, again. 1, 2, 3. Wah! Again.
Daddy, hindi ba yan ano?
Oh, ito.
Dodgeball.
1, 2, 3. Wah!
Daddy, is it the dodgeball?
No. 1, 2.
6, 7.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 6,
What?
7.
Again.
Yan, ano,
Yan. Okay.
Softball. Softball, Daddy.
1, 2, 3. Oops.
Softball yan,
Taka na.
but instead of our...
1, 2, 3.
I did it.
Yes. Ready na itong mga to oh, sa tennis oh.
Bagay talaga kaya.
Ay, galing ah. Let's go na.
May program pa. Dito daw kasi walang nag-sinundan ko kanina.
Ah, okay.
Saan kayo ngayon?
Baka dun sa may tagig. Andito na pala kami sa ano, Citadel yan. Ayan siya.
Silang dalawa.
Sige po.
Ano yung kita na si Oli?
Start muna kayo mag-jog.
Jogging.
Jogging!
Jogging para
Well, itong court na, court 1. Itong buong court lang natin. Ikot lang kayo dito ng 2 rounds. Then jog lang. Slow jog. This one. Itong court natin. Itong court natin.
Ah, ito.
Yes. Ikot lang po kayo. Huwag kayo ikot sa kabila ha, kasi may nagdala.
Ah, Ali, they're gonna run. Oh, run.
Later
No,
na
later yan.
Run muna, magra-run.
Ay, ikaw mag-lead.
Ano ba, Mark?
Oh. Louie, sige. Iyaan mo siya. Susunod din yan.
Go, Ali!
You copy what the coach says, ha? Oh, go.
Space ng mountain.
Sabi, bakit ganyan? Akala ko tennis. Ba't di pa ako humahawak ng tennis racket? Go, Oli.
Gusto mo tennis agad ako?